Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I am going to Box Hill, so I thought I'll vlog my whole trip. So we are going to a part of Box Hill, so we are going to take the stepping stone trail. Basically, we are going to Box Hill via train and then we will start our trek from the Box Hill station itself. So yeah, let's go. We have reached Box Hill station now and the entrance itself is very pretty. In fact, the station was also very cute. It was just like two-track station covered with like trees both the sides. So it was super cute. Path from the station to the location itself is very pretty, and they have like small paths over here which are like fully covered with trees like this one. We have officially started the trek, and the starting part itself is a very steep slope. So I'm looking forward how the rest of the terrain is. We were treated by this amazing view after the climb. We are going to the stepping stone walk, so I think it's this way. We'll go up.
Oh my God, सही।
यार नीचे तो नहीं जाता, ऊपर आना दिक्कत होगी।
वो सब रूट से प्लांट
लगेगी।
सही ना, कैसा है देखना, ये सब उसका ये है, रूट्स नहीं है,
ब्रांच।
हाँ ब्रांचेस है, लेकिन नीचे से भी आया है ऊपर,
हाँ,
रूट्स
तो-
भी है, रूट से
कहाँ है रूट से? कौन से वाली है?
ये वाले नीचे से,
ये वाले?
सही।
Says to take the pathway on your left. So
Okay.
this is the starting of stage 4 of the trek. Now we'll reach Box Hill Fort. We can look around and roam around it, but we cannot go inside because it's now all occupied by bats, as that's what it says in the trek guide.
Oh. एवढंच आहे.
एवढं सगळं खेळत कधी बोलतो.
Yeah, ये वाली बटरफ्लाई होंगी.
सिल्वर वॉश.
We have to go that side.
Making space for nature.
We have stopped at the National Trust parking spot, and there they have like cute benches all around. There's a cafe. So now we are done with our food and break, and now we have started the trek again, and we have reached a viewpoint. I'm sure you guys must have seen this particular point in a lot of pictures of Box Hill. So yeah, let's go. So we have reached a viewpoint, and from here you can literally see the view of the whole city, and also they have like markings over here, so it's like different locations. You can see Dorking is that side and it's like 1 mile, then Leith Hills are that side, it's like 6 miles, so they have provided with location. Spider.
Green. They blend into nature. It's like them camouflage.
So along the way, this is a path. It's like, you can say it's like a small forest where it's filled with trees. So pretty. There's a very big tree over here. It's massive. Spread across. It's huge. And it's very pretty. Since we are walking on top of the hill now, we can see these views all along the path. So we are going to the stepping stone walk, which is that way.
There are 275 steps along the way, and as you go down on the left hand side, I think we'll have the chance to spot the river mole.
These are the stepping stones, basically stones across the river. It's not that deep, you can see the riverbed, but the water is very clear. Let's go to the other side now. This reminded us of Takeshi's castle, only that the stones were not sinking, they were stable. So it was fun.
After crossing the stepping stones, follow the path parallel to the river on the other side. Once you have reached the footbridge, go through the gate next to it on the right hand side. Okay, footbridge is this side. Let's go.
आएगी तेरे पास मैं करती वो देखा उसने देख
The best thing about the treks over here are everything is mapped, so it becomes very easy to navigate. So this trek, I saw it on the National Trust website. So basically there are multiple walks around Box Hill. So this stepping stone walk is one of them, and it has like 11 stages, and they provide like each and every description as to where to take the turn, where you can stop, and how long the path is. So this is 3 miles, and it takes approximately 2 hours to complete, and this is kind of a circular path. So we will again go back to the railway station itself. Next stop is the footbridge. It's like a small cute wooden bridge across the river. have completed our path, and it was nice. The terrains were different, and the stepping stone was very nice. And then we also crossed multiple stairs, which you guys have seen is like 275 stairs. So yeah, overall I would say this was a very nice path. I would recommend you guys to try it. It's comparatively easiest. Only the initial uphill climb is the difficult one, but then the rest of the path is like easy. So do give it a try, and let me know in the comment section how did you like the video. Takeshi's castle. Yay!